In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this start math question easily and fast. Alright, so let's get started. The question says, what is the minimum value of the given function? We have g of x equals x squared plus 55. So guys, for this kind of question, you don't necessarily need a calculator to solve it. You just basic understanding and you'll be good to go. So when you are given this kind of question, you have to find the minimum value of the given function. Firstly, you have to consider the number line. So as we all know, this is the number line, this is the midpoint 0, these are positive values, these are negative values. We have values from 1, 2, we have negative 1, negative 2, and the rest of them. Okay, now the neutral value here is 0, right? So you firstly begin with this neutral value. Of course, that's what will indicate the minimum value in most cases. Alright, so when you plug in 0 for the value of x, so g of x, as we all know, you can replace g of x with y. Okay, they both can serve. Right, so we have g of x equals 0 square plus 55. So 0 square is still 0, so 0 plus 55 you have what? 55. Now when you check, aside from 0, when you use any other value aside from 0, if you use 1, when you plug in 1, now you're going to have 1 square plus 55. That 1 plus 55, you're going to have 56. When the value of x is 1, when the value of x is 2, you're going to have 2 squared, that's 4. 4 plus 55, you're going to have 59, as in that order. Alright, because of this square, whatever you use, whatever value you use at this positive angle, either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, as the case may be, we give you the same output when you use negative values. Either you use negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. For instance, square of 2 is 4. Square of negative 2 is still 4. Alright, so you will still be getting the same output. So from this explanation, you can decode or easily identify that the value that will give you the minimum output for the function will be 0 as the neutral number in this number line. Alright, so 0 gave us 55 as the minimum value of the function. So after 55, this value you see will be 56. That's when the value of x is 1. Next one is 59. The value of x is 2. When the value of x is 3, you get a higher value. So this shows us that the right answer to this question is option B, 55. Okay, what is the minimum value of the given function? The minimum value is 55 when the value of x is 0. Alright, so we don't need a calculator to solve this. Alright, so let's learn something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what to learn from the video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button to get information on how to solve other math problems we'll be dealing with. Okay, so having done this, click the next above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.